Good morning, all of you. Myself Ankit, and today I am going to teach you a very important chapter from operating system, that is deadlock. So let's start with definition. This is our definition. It is a state between two and more processes in which they are competing among themselves for resource to complete their task, but none of them are ready to leave their resources. Let's understand with one of the example. Let's suppose this is a bridge. This is car 1 passing through this bridge. This is car 2 passing through this bridge. Both are moving in opposite direction. Now the things comes that this car person wanted to reach this side and this car person want to reach this side. But the matter of fact comes that none of them are ready to take back their car. Therefore, one can get their target. This is called deadlock. See, in this situation also, here the two carmen are competing among themselves for their completion of work. But they are not ready and they are not worthy, they are not thinking about others. This is called deadlock. Now, here are few necessary conditions for occurring of deadlock. Prior to learning necessary condition, let us have a glance on RHG graph. This RHG graph is also called resource allocation graph. We denote process in this way, circle and write it in P. This is a denotation of process. Here is process 1 and process 2. And the resources are being shown in this way, and the allocation shows this way. In this graph, P1 got resources R1, मतलब कि P1 को R1 एलोकेट कर दिया गया है, बट ये R2 को डिमांड कर रहा है. P1 R2 को डिमांड कर रहा है और उसी समय जो R2 एक रिसोर्स है, R2 जो रिसोर्स है वो P2 को एलोकेट है और P2 जो है R1 को डिमांड कर रहा है. यही है प्रोसेस डेडलॉक.